Cut aluminium sliding U-channel to the required length. Align position and drill fix the U-channel on the ceiling frame. Assemble metal bracket with the channel roller and the scissor strips into continuous collapsible system. Prepare to fix the collapsible system to the length of the U-channel. Slide the collapsible assembly into the ceiling channel, roller by roller. Fix the lock nut on the U-channel end to prevent the sliding system from coming out of the U-channel. Check for the free movement of the curtain system in the U-channel. Place the pre-cut PVC strips, 2 in each bracket for 50% overlap, and secure them with nut and bolt fixture. Repeat the assembly in every bracket until the PVC strips are fixed and well secured. Fix the curtain drawing cable through the end bracket to the required convenient height of operation. Loop the cable through the crimped lock and secure the cable firmly. Draw the curtain close and open a few times to ensure the system operates smoothly from end to end.